How to create read more links in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a read more or see more content and hide the rest of the content into the same email. So you are going to make basically the email lighter, and it is going to be not that difficult to see all the parts of the email. So you can go ahead and write an article, a full article, and you're going to have here maybe the introduction of that article, and after that you're going to have the read more. When they press on it, they will get the rest of the article. So let's start here by creating a email campaign. So we are going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the dashboard. We're going to click on create. Once we are here, we're going to create a regular email. So I'm going to design that email. We're going to set up the to or the recipient of that email. I have imported a list of recipients. You're going to set up here the sender or the email sender. We have the subject, so we are going to add a subject like here, article, for example, article about, let's say here, tech. And the preview is going to be just like this. I'm going to click on save. Now the send time is going to be now, or you can go ahead and schedule it. And here the most important part is going to be the content. So we're going to click on design email or design. So here we are going to select a template. So we are going to wait for the Mailchimp template. We're going to create one. So either you are going to start a trial by right there setting up one of the templates, or we can go ahead and see some basic ones. So I'm going to add one column at least right there, as you can see, template. Here I am on the old editor of Mailchimp. So you can go ahead and switch the right there editor or to whatever you want, the new one or the old one. So I'm going basically here to work with the old one, and then I'm going to let you see here at the end of the video how we can switch to it. Here we are going to see the email. We're going to get here the logo, as you can see, and I'm going to put it a little bit smaller. Now let's go to the email section. We are going to edit that section. We're going to click on the edit block. Now we are going to delete everything in here. So I'm going to delete that. Now I'm going to put here a size or not a size, but a, let's say here a title, for example, latest, for example, news, or let's say here on the tech, for example, tech industry. So we are going to put it like this. So we are going to copy that title. I'm going basically to ChatGPT. I'm going to demand or put a prompt. Write me an article, for example, article about, for example, like that. I'm going to put it here the keyword. We're going to wait for, as you can see here, do more pricing right now. Please try it later. This is a new thing, so I don't know. I am going to put it here. So it was just an error, so it is okay. I think that ChatGPT didn't want to make an effort, but it is okay. Now we are going to see the article, and we're going to wait for it to terminate or end that article. Now here we have the, as you can see, the conclusion. I'm going basically here to copy the conclusion, and we are going to have here. So I'm going to copy this, and we are going to put it in here. Basically, I'm going to put this title at the middle like that. We are going to have here something like this. Boom. Now, what are we going to do? As you can see, this is a lot to handle on an email, and it is going to be here maybe a little bit boring. So what are we going to do here is to have the part right there, this part, for example, hidden, or this one. So how can we do that? I have here a file that contains some codings, and do not worry, this code is going to be here inserted or the prompt orders, right there, these are the prompt orders or the codes, are going to be on the description section. So you're going to use them. This is the first part, and this is the second and third and fourth part. So it is very easy. Now, what I am going to do here is to head over here. We're going to put here an anchor here. Let's say, for example, on the or under the title, and we're going to put an anchor. So on the old editor that I have used here, we have the anchor. So we are going to click on anchor. We're going to put it or have a name for it. So basically we are going to put it on only one word name, for example, more, and click on OK. But here I think that I have made a mistake, so I don't want the anchor here. So we want the anchor to be in the place that we want to hide. Basically, I'm going to put it here. So I'm going to put an anchor. Here, we are going to set it as more. We're going to click on OK. Now, what are we going to do is to have here the cursor after the anchor, and we are going to type in the first code, which is this, IFNOT. I'm going to copy this. Here we have the read more. I'm going to paste it here. No, I have made a mistake. So we have here the possibility to paste it as a plain text. I'm going to click on paste as plain text because this is going to have here the correct method. We're going to put it like this. And now what are we going to do is to select the read more. Here we are going to select all the read more text. We are going to link it right there. And we're going to put it into link to, let it as web address. We're going to head over the code and we're going to copy, archive, and the hashtag anchor name. We're going to copy it. So basically we are not going to exit the URL, or we do not here have a URL. But we are going to change the anchor name to the name that we have made, for example, which is more. I'm going to click on insert. And as you can see, here we have the read more as blue. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the codes again. I'm going to have this part of if archive page. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it here on the beginning of the code. Paste it as a plain text. I'm going to paste it here. Okay. First thing first, everything is in order here. Now we are going to head over the end of the page or the end of the document that we want to show. For example, I want to hide all this part from here till the conclusion. I'm going to have here and if. This is the code. I'm going to copy it. Put it here at the end. Now, what are we going to do? To click on continue. Here we have saved everything. So I'm going to click on save. And basically, this is the right there, the email. Now, what I am going to do is to continue. Click on continue. I'm going to send a copy to this email. So from where I'm going to type in here to. So we are going to add a new segment. I'm going to add myself only on that segment. So we are going to have here not the subscribers, but we're going to have here only one pasted email. So at the end of the result here or the process, we are going to see the anchor setup. Here we've made the anchor. We have the read more. And when you're going to click it, it will take you to the whole article. And now let me show you how you can switch to the classic right there editor. So we are going to head over our, as you can see, favicon of the account. We are going to click on profile. From here, we are going to see the settings. We are going to click on it, select details, and then we are going to scroll down a little bit until we see here the classic builder or the new builder. So we are going to select the classic builder, or we can go ahead and put the new builder. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.